welcome to my channel, Rehan name. From this video, I am going to tell you about the crucial hormone in our body which is affecting our muscle building and fat loss. Guys, that crucial hormone is insulin. Without the help of insulin, your protein and nutrition is not going inside your muscles. So, from this video, I will tell you how to manipulate and control this hormone naturally for better results.
Insulin. Insulin was only discussed in reference to diabetes. Insulin is the hormone that drives glucose out of the bloodstream to cells. Insulin is much more than a hormone that controls glucose. Insulin also has a dark side because it can also storage and increase the storage of fat. Insulin is made inside pancreas. So you need to know how to manipulate this crucial hormone for perfect results. Insulin is actually a protein and it is produced and released by the pancreas whenever you eat carbs, protein or both. Like all the other proteins, insulin is a chain of amino acids strung together. From pancreas, insulin enters the bloodstream and travels to various tissues, including muscle tissue. Once the insulin molecule enters the muscle cell, it signals muscle cell to open the gate. Actually, bit process is going here. I will explain as you can understand. This opening allows glucose, amino acids and creatine to enter the muscle. This process is the major reason why insulin is so much important for muscle building. When insulin enters the muscle cell, it increases muscle protein synthesis, which means building of muscle out of the amino acids that are entering the muscle cell. Insulin also decreases muscle breakdown, which further enhances muscle growth. You have seen that bodybuilders get simple carbs on their contest or competition day because simple carbs spike insulin levels in your blood, so it will increase blood flow. And also, insulin drive nutrients like glucose and amino acids to the muscles. Not only those, insulin spike also boosts vascularity. Insulin release from the pancreas and signals the body that it has just been fed. Since your body is always trying to spare energy, it holds the body's burning of stored fat. So your body starts to get energy from food you have just fed. Insulin also works similar on fat cells as how it works on muscle cells. Spike in insulin levels throughout the day will burn less fat and store more fat. More fat is stored, less burn. You will easily lead to fat gain over time. So you can imagine eating simple carbs throughout the day will harm you. Insulin is lowering your blood sugar levels when it is go high and make your blood sugar levels healthy. To lower the blood sugar levels, insulin push glucose and nutrition in the blood to muscles or fat. Okay guys, let's see how to manipulate insulin naturally and use insulin for muscle building and avoiding its effects on fat gain. Tip number 1 is know the glycemic index of your carbs. I will do later video about how to find GI of a carbohydrate. There are two types of GI in carbs. Number 1 is high glycemic index. Number 2 is low glycemic index. The glycemic index refers to how fast the carbs in the food end up as glucose in your bloodstream. High glycemic index food digests quickly to your bloodstream and spike your insulin levels, means spike your blood sugar levels. Low glycemic index foods pass more slowly through digestive system and slowly enter the bloodstream. So, low glycemic index foods keeps your insulin levels more consistent. Typically, simple sugars are high in glycemic index and complex carbs are in low glycemic index. However, many exceptions are there for this rule. I will explain it from another video. Focus on low GI carbs. If you have any carbs at all, this will keep insulin levels low and maintain energy levels throughout the day. Don't use low glycemic index carbohydrates right before your workout, because low glycemic index carbs need some time to digest properly. Most of the time, bodybuilders use simple carbs right before the workout for intense energy. But if you are in a fat loss state, don't do this, because it halts your fat loss during your workout. If you need some more energy for your workout, go with 20 gram to 40 grams low glycemic index carbohydrate with 20 grams to 30 grams of protein 30 minutes prior for your workout. Tip number 2 is know when to get high glycemic index carbohydrates. If your goal is to gain mass, within minutes of waking up, go for simple carbohydrates, because when you wake up, you have ended a solid 6 to 8 hours of fasting. So your muscles and liver glycogen levels are dropped. This glycogen dropping signals your body to tear down muscle tissue for fuel. So, taking 20 to 40 grams of fast digesting carbohydrates as soon as you wake up will boost insulin and stop muscle tissue break for fuel. No matter your goal is to fat loss or bulking, other best time to get simple carbs or fast digesting carbohydrate is within 30 minutes after your workout. Shoot 30 to 80 grams of carbohydrate with 20 to 40 grams of protein is better after your workout. At this time, high glycemic index carbohydrates will spike your insulin and it will drive your carbohydrates and amino acids of the protein into your muscles. The fast digesting carbohydrates quickly restock your muscle glycogen used during the workout, and amino acids will boost muscle growth. In addition, insulin signals muscles to kickstart muscle growth and halt muscle breakdown. So guys, this is about insulin science for fat loss and muscle growth. Use these tips to stay lean while adding some muscle mass to your body. If you want to know anything from me, just comment below. See you guys from the next video. I am Rehan.